Hey guys, welcome back to Unique Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. Another problem solved with Unique Beauty, guys. So as you can see, this is the 2-whip butter. Then I also have the water mixture, okay, which are formularized for your scalp, specifically for damaged hair. Then I got liquid treatment oil there. Then honey, then avocado, banana, then the dry herbs. This is what I will send you through the post. Then the aloe vera gel, if you have the plant, is all good. Then shower cap. Okay, we have 2 shower cap there, and this one, it got 3 layers, this shower cap, so it's so good. The layers are thick, so we need that for the steaming purpose. And also the oil mixture for bad scalp, bad hair, your hair refuse to grow. This is the channel. These are the products you need, because I formularize them for you specifically for your kind of scalp that will not add weight, then it doesn't shed your hair, it just help your hair to grow, guys. Okay, so if I'm going to post you, I'll post you 5 plus the tablet is going to be 6. Okay, that's the full treatment. Okay, so now we're going to start the treatment. So now this lady, she came in with edges problem and thinning. Okay, so as you can see her edges, and she shaved her hair off due to that. But when you shaved your hair off due to a problem, without the right product, it will still not work. Okay, this is where my product comes in. So as you can see, the crown area, that's where the thinning is. You see how it's really thinning with a little bit of patches. So the back area, can you see how it's full? There is no problem. She says she doesn't have no problem there, and her scalp doesn't have inflammation, and her hair follicles, they're open, which make my job very easy here. Okay, this is a small problem for me that I will solve. As long as your hair follicles are open, it's just your hair refuse to go and get that thickness, and it's shed, you got dandruff, you got inflammation, but your hair follicles are still there. Guys, contact me. I will help you any part of the world you are. I will post it to you. I will guide you through the phone. We'll do the treatment together. So now we start the treatment. I'm going ahead now with the liquid water, which I always save. When I see your specific scalp problem, I will get that water out. So because she wants the edges and thickness, so this water is so good for thickness. Okay, so I will use for her later what she needs for the edges, which is the brown cream. So I go in first with that water oil mixture, then I will massage it in very, very well. Okay, because that just help with the thickness of that crown area. And you can see by the time we finish that treatment, the hair grew instantly. She said it herself. She said, oh, my hair is growing instantly. So now this is the brown garlic treatment cream I will send you. This cream, you only use it specifically 3 times per week for your edges purpose. But if you have a bald head like this, you can go ahead and use it everywhere. It's okay. But if you have edges problem, you just use it for your edges problem. If your rest of your hair don't have problem, don't waste it there. Just put it on the edges. So you go ahead and apply it just like the way you see me applying it like this. Use a good amount for the first time. The first time, use a good amount, just like what I'm doing. Okay, so this is the garlic treatment that you wash out because it smells really, really garlicky. Okay, that's the only thing will help your edges. So I'm going ahead now and massage it very well in. So as you can see the way I'm massaging, I'm just dipping my finger, then I will give it that tickly massage sensation to it. As you see, okay, don't scratch it, please. The way you saw me doing it like that, I'm not scratching it. I don't even have fingernails. Okay, even though she said, oh, your hands are strong, and indeed they're strong, guys. Some people like it strong, some people like it soft. I will give it the way you want it. Okay, if I start with the strongness, just let me know. I will reduce the speed. All right, then I'll go in with the plastic after I add in the liquid oil, and then with the garlic cream, massage it very well, and then you use all that shower cap. The shower cap, the third one, should be thick, or if you don't have it, use towel. Use a thick towel, wrap it, and then just sit down, relax, take those stress out, and just relax. Okay, your problem will be solved with Unique Beauty solution. This is the best treatment ever if you have this in your living room, your kitchen, for your hair. Okay, so I leave her to sit for 10 minutes. It's all good, because we're going to add in other treatment. Okay, then you take off the shower cap, then you add in the protein treatment, which is the avocado, banana, egg yolk, mayonnaise, honey, and then all that you blend. All right, you've seen it there, I showed you before. So you blend it very, very pasty. We need that paste and texture to it, so that it doesn't leave bits on your hair. Okay, so you massage it in everywhere. So when it comes to this protein treatment, how often should you use it? It's very, very important, because all the girls, the ladies are coming to me, they overuse it too much and the hair got too much protein. You don't need it. This is intent, especially when you use this fresh one. It's intent. It's very powerful and it lasts longer for your hair. So this is why you should use it the right way. It's very important. Let me show you now today how you should use this one. This protein treatment, if you have really bad scalp like her, for her own scalp is not bad, because she doesn't have inflammation. Okay, she doesn't have inflammation. She just have thinning and edges problem. So once a year for her own scalp is good. But if you have really, really bad scalp, you need it twice a year. That's it. That's it. Twice a year. You don't need it anymore if you're using my treatment, guys. Okay, yes. So once I massage that for 10-15 minutes, then I go in with the shower cap. You can use towel and then just sit now. The reason why I don't put people under the dryer, our scalp produce it naturally. Can you see when you're in a worry or you have emergency or you're stressed? Can you see how it's hot on your head? It's the same thing. So once I give it that good massage and cover it, it just heat up very good. Don't go under the dryer. Don't go, if you're somebody who used to go under the dryer, stop it. It damages your hair follicles. Just use it naturally. Sit there. The longer you sit there, the better. You stay the heat. The heat will vibrate. The heat will come out. Guys, as you can see, we wash it out, the protein treatment. Then now we're going to use the cleanser water, which is that dry herbs I will send you. You're going to make this water yourself. Okay, this is why when you place my order, don't worry about it, how you use it. I will be with you on the phone. Okay, so that dry herbs, you soak it for 3 days or 2 days. Then once it's fermented, then you find a spray bottle, put the first water in there. Then the second one, that's where you make the shampoo. I've got the videos. Everything is on my channel. You can go and watch it and help yourself. Then you spray it in and massage. What does this do? It helps stop shedding. It helps stimulate your hair follicles and your hair cuticles. Trust me, it grows your hair. This water grows your hair. So this, you can use it every day. It doesn't spoil your hair. It's just sometimes we don't need to wash our hair every day. Okay, so if you want to use it twice per week or 3 times per week or once a week, it's all good. With the spray and the cleanser shampoo, you can just use it like that. It's good, especially for your edges. When you put the whip butter, you put oil, use this to unplug all the oil out. And then when you put in it, that's how it absorbs and grow your hair nicely. This is the reason why I sent you the full treatment, because I don't see your scalp, So when you get that, I know it will work. This is why I'm going to be with you on the phone, video call, and then we talk. Then I show you how to use everything. If you have question, just call me on WhatsApp. If I am not busy, I will pick up. If I am busy, I will get back to you guys. I have time for all my customers. Okay, so as you can see, that cleanser water is so good. Now we detox the scalp. This is what you call deep detoxing. Can you see the hair even go instantly now? It has gone instantly. This lady, when I put the oil and the whip butter, she said, oh, I used to have a patch here. I can't find it anymore. Trust me, she did. She did say it. I didn't even know, because I was busy that day. You see, but she said, oh, my patches, I can't see it at the front. The hair grew, So as you can see how the hair grew instantly with the edges, guys. This treatment is good. The formula, The formula I did here is good. Guys, I'm just looking for 20 people. The moment, no, 50 people, sorry, pardon me. I'm looking for 50 people. The moment I have 50 people, if I brand this product, it's going to be very expensive, guys, because at the moment, I'm not making profit. I am not. People think I am making money. I am not. The money I am collecting is just to buy back the product and then use it, guys, okay? What I am doing for you, even nobody does it for you, guys. Some people just go, they put injection, they say do this, that's it, and it will not work, especially when it comes to inflammation scalp, okay? I show you the nutrition you should eat, the drinks you should take, and everything, how to do the detox and put the cream. I showed you that. This is things that people should be paying me for. But at the moment, I'm not, because I just want to work with 50 people. The moment I done with that 50 people, I don't have no complaint. Everybody I see their hair grows, I will brand it. And if I brand it, it's very expensive. Look at that. The hair full instantly, guys. Instantly. So within, let me say, I always give people 6 months to just stick to my product. Don't mix it, please. If you're using my product, don't mix it with anything. That's why I show you the kind of shampoo to use to mix with the cleanser water. Yes, don't mix it. Just give it 6 months and see how it goes. Yeah, because the formula is so good. That's why I give you the shampoo, oil, water mixture, then the whip butter. So the whip butter, it got a little bit of smell because we don't put preservative, we don't put scent. We want it to work directly to your hair follicles. Go bring the hair out. Say, come out. You meant to be out here. That's what it's for. So that's why I got 3 whip butter. The last one is the one with nice smell. But after your hair grew, when you order the second round, that's what I will give you. I said this is what you need now. Just keep using your cleanser water, your oil spray, your water mixture, and then with this whip butter, got nice smell, guys. Okay, just contact me if you have bad scalp inflammation, alopecia areata. I will help you on the phone, anywhere part of the world. Contact me, I will help you. Okay, I will send you the right product you need. My number is there. Send me a picture on WhatsApp. I will help you. You guys need to start hiring me, or you come to me. I'm trying to look for a salon in London. If I get it, I will get 10 people or 5 people that can pay me everything, so I can cover my fee for everything. Contact me now.